Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video on Tutorials Point. In today's video, I'm going to teach you some easy steps on how you can share your Instagram link on WhatsApp. Before we start the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Without further ado, let's move on to the video. First of all, make sure that you're connected to the internet and then open up WhatsApp on your device. After you're on this page of WhatsApp, open up a chat to whom you want to share your Instagram. After you open up that chat, simply click on the message and then type in instagram.com/. Now, after the slash, what you'll have to do is type in your profile name. So in my case, my profile name is this. So I'll have to type in this and then click on the send option. After I click on the send option, my Instagram link will be sent to the user. As you can see on my screen, the link leads directly to your Instagram profile. I hope this video helped you to share your Instagram link on WhatsApp. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Thank you for watching.